Hey everybody, welcome back to Florida EDC, and we are back with two new Rosecrafts, and they are the Snake Creek Copperhead. Alright, let's get into the first one. Oh wow, you got that jig bone. Got the rose bomb shield on this one. Long pull. Nice Wharncliffe. Wow. Now these are dropping March 31st. Only at qualified dealers. They will not be on the Rosecraft Blades site. It's nice. It's got a almost nice little choil there. So it's a little smaller than the last one, but still 4-finger grip. I'd say it's about I'd say it's about an 8 to open. I believe this one Yep. Oh, it's got that Bora Bora blue bone. So, in my opinion, these are the most popular handle covers for the Rosecraft traditional blades. They will go quick. Okay, this one for some reason, I don't know, maybe I'm used to it because I opened up that one a couple times. Opens a little bit easier. It seems like more of a 7. I don't know. But these will go probably within 2 hours. I know this one will go within 2 hours. Hands down. Pins, flush, everything, no hot spots. There you go. 2 new ones after Texas Blade Show. Find them at Rosecraft Qualified Dealers. We'll talk to you later. See ya.